Today I'm going to show you this brand new traffic source over here that I've not spoken about on my YouTube channel before, and that I think is a very underrated website where you can go and sell physical products. But I found a loophole. I discovered that instead of selling your own physical products, you can use a website such as ClickBank or Digistore24 to go and promote other people's products and just make a commission off of that. I started this on this website about a week ago and I've generated quite a profitable side hustle. Then again, with affiliate marketing on this kind of website, there's no expenses. So over here is my total earnings from this. There's no expenses. All of this is profit because first of all, it's free to list your products on this website. There's no monthly fees or membership fees or anything like that. You can post immediately. So over here, I've been anywhere between $50 and $200 a day. Had some good days, had some bad days, but it's a decent amount of income. It's not thousands of dollars a day. It's not ultimately rich, but it's a great side hustle to save some extra money to invest into something more sustainable, such as drop servicing, ads, trading, investing, you name it. This is just a great way to get some extra money. But there's one or two steps in between all of this in order to set this up successfully and actually make money from this. So it's important that you follow with me and have a look on my screen, each and every title, description, what I type out in order to set this up so you don't actually fail at this. But without further ado, I'm not going to waste any time and let's get straight into this. What's up, fellow entrepreneurs? Jay here, your no BS South African online entrepreneur and coach, documenting my journey on my YouTube channel on various different ways that I use to make money online, ranging from side hustles, dropshipping, affiliate marketing, drop servicing, trading, investing, all sorts of content in the investing and make money online niche, where you can hopefully get some valuable content from me, learn these kind of skills yourself, apply them and make money online. And whether you've got some goals, you want to quit your job, get some extra income while you're at school, university, or you just got nothing to do in the day and you want to develop some extra high income skills, then make sure to go subscribe down below with the red notification bell on so that I can send you a message every time I upload an epic video just like this one. Make sure to leave a like on this video. It really pumps me up to see the positivity and the likes on these videos so that I know you enjoy them and that I can bring up more epic content like this. Comment down below if you have any questions. I reply to every single comment, and same with any content ideas, or if you want me to talk about anything on my channel, I'll be gladly to help out with that. So make sure to comment down below so that I can see your requests and I'll reply to all of your comments. Like I mentioned in the previous video yesterday, I'm announcing the winner of that $20 giveaway, and I'm also going to do another giveaway in today's video. If you want to win my 6-figure drop servicing university program over here, which teaches you how to sell rare high income skills and services without actually doing that work yourself all around the world and get paid hundreds to thousands of dollars for doing these service projects, and you just outsource them and keep the cash in your pocket, you can now get this program completely for free. You can see exactly what's in it. If you come over to the first link in the description, you'll see all the bonuses over here, all the modules over here, and all my student success over here as well. So this is the first link in the description. You can also enter this coupon on the screen over here. It will take about 60% off just for those of you watching today to really help you out. There's no monthly or hidden cost. Everything is transparent and honest on this page. So make sure to click on the first link in the description if you want to go and read more about this. But without further ado, we're going to continue with this brand new traffic platform. Just a quick interruption. If you want to get 3 free courses that I've paid for in the past that I'm now giving away on my channel completely for free, just to help you out, if you want to watch some courses and content off of YouTube in your spare time when you're not watching my videos, I've left 3 links in the description. All you need to do is click on them and you enter your email and I will forward those courses all to your email. So all the links over there if you want to go claim them completely for free. There's no upsell to some ridiculous $2,000 course. Don't worry, it's all completely free off the Google Drive. So over here on my screen, I just want to quickly show you a background check on this website that I'm going to be using to show you that it's safe and to show you how much traffic this website is actually getting. So this website currently is the 13,000th largest website in the world, in the top 500 biggest in the UK, and number 5, meaning it's the 5th highest and most viewed website in its category. And take a look at this. This website is getting a total visits of 5.2 million visitors every single month, which is absolutely huge. Now you can go and get a piece of this pie, but that's not the best part. The majority of this traffic is from top tier countries. This means that traffic from top tier countries are much higher in value. These are countries that are willing to learn, willing to invest, they have strong currencies, so your products end up being cheaper for them, increasing your chances of getting sales and commissions. So over here you can see 91% of the traffic on this website is from the United Kingdom, 1.8%, China, United States, Ireland, and Poland. These are all top tier wealthy countries. So that's just to show you where this traffic is coming from on this website, and to prove to you this is a high quality traffic website. So I recommend whenever doing online entrepreneurship, creating websites, or going to go promote on a website, take a look, come over to similarweb.com, just enter the website name in the search bar, and you can view some awesome statistics behind this website. So like I mentioned in the beginning of this video, we don't need our own physical products to go and promote. We can go and promote other people's products. I'm going to show you 3 platforms and examples that you can use to go and list your products on this website and get free sales. So over here, firstly, we've got the Amazon Associates program. We all know how many millions of products are on the Amazon store, and you can go and sign up on their affiliate program and get commissions every time you sell any product listed on Amazon that you can think of, ranging from phones to clothing to electronics and gadgets, you name it. You can go and make commissions for every sale that you make. So all you do is come over to affiliate-program.amazon.com, click on sign up, and you will get your unique affiliate link for any product that you go and search. You can also go and use clickbank.com. Clickbank is one of the most popular affiliate marketing databases where you can go and find other people's products to promote and get a commission per sale. Thirdly, you've got digistore24.com, which is the same as ClickBank, just an alternative. This is the platform that I'm using where I've been generating my profits with this. So all you're going to do is you're going to come over to digistore24.com, under account, click on sign up or log in, and you'll be able to view all the products listed on this page over here. You can view products from animal and pets, all the way down to survival, social media, jobs and employment, home and garden, games and fun. There's so many different products that you can think of. And my number one rule with affiliate marketing is when you're doing affiliate marketing, focus on one product at a time. Choose a niche and knuckle down on that. And I suggest choose something that you're passionate about or something that you know, because it'll only make you happy. And that's why in this case, I'm going to choose an entrepreneurship or a educational product, because I'm passionate about education and learning different skills all the time. I also use the health and fitness niche a lot, as I like and enjoy fitness. So over here, if you click on fitness and health, you will also find a lot of physical products that you can go and promote. So for example, the Essential Keto Cookbook Diet, which is delivered anywhere in the world. Every time you make a sale, you will get $4.79 straight to your account as a thank you from this person who is selling this ebook, and a thank you for you selling it for them. So over here, you've got Smart Blood Sugar, which is a product that regulates blood sugar levels. You've got keto desserts. You've got Lose Your First 10 Pounds Workshop. This is a fantastic product that I recommend promote. The commissions are quite good at $30. You've got Lean Belly x3. The newest commission crusher has arrived. So this is a product that helps you lose belly fat and any fat around your belly. This is a goal of a lot of people that want to lose fat around their waist, and this is a product that does so. So this is a good example that we can go and use, and you are earning a 64% commission, which is really, really good. So you're going to get $83.27 every time you make a sale. The next step is you want to click on a sales page over here. Just right click, open link in new tab, and you want to go and open up and view their sales page. So over here, you can see they've got an entire video over here that obviously sells the product, gives testimonials and examples of people that have had success with this product. If you scroll down, you can see over here you've got 1 bottle, 6 bottles, and 3 bottles with various different saving rates and a pricing table where people can add this product to their cart and get it delivered to their door. So this is a product that we can go and list on our brand new website over here that's going to get us tons of traffic. What I like about this website, all the new products automatically list at the top, and they start to fall down as more and more products are added. So that's what I like about this. You can see over here some products ranging from hair sets to looks like puppy nappies and shampoo and all sorts of products, and these are brand new products that were listed 5 hours ago, 2 hours ago. They've already got 2 comments, 10 comments, 2 comments. So a lot of people are engaging with products that have just been listed, showing you that a lot of these 5 million people are still viewing the latest products added to this new website over here. This post that was posted 7 hours ago also has 20 likes already. So this just proves people are clicking on it, people are leaving reviews and likes, and people are buying these strange and out of the ordinary products. I mean, for someone to buy shampoo off a website like this instead of their local store, this product obviously has something different. This website gets unique traffic that is converting. So this is why I really recommend pay attention to what I'm about to do on this website so that you can maximize your earnings with this and get the most sales possible. The next step is you want to come over to lastdeals.co.uk, which is the website link over here. I'll zoom it up on the screen. On the top right, you want to click on the share and the plus icon over here. Click on deal. That includes bargains, sales, and codes that work on one product. That is going to be your affiliate product. And over here where you need to paste your URL is your affiliate link. So come back to Digistore24 over here, click on promote now of your product, and over here you can see is your unique affiliate link to this product, which takes your leads to this landing page over here. So every time someone purchases this specific product, you are going to get a commission of $83.27. All you need to do is come back to lastdeals.co.uk where we are continuing, paste your affiliate link over here, make sure you've got check this box if this deal is only available in store. Click on next over here, make sure this box is unchecked. So then again, click on next to continue to the next step. And over here is the important step where we need to enter our title, our description, our price, and our category. This is super important for SEO and ranking on this website to get the most sales possible. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill out the title and the description and add some images, and then I'm going to explain to you what I did, how I did it, and why I did fill out the description and title the way I've done it. So it's actually super easy. You can come back to the landing page of your offer that you're promoting over here, and you can get all the information you need off of this website. For the title, Lean Bellied 3 Times, the newest belly fat crusher has arrived, which is just for what I got from the title on Digistore 24 over here. For the description, on your product over here, you can come back to the website and you can go and copy all the frequently answered questions as your description. Just go right click, copy, and paste it over here just like that. So there we go. You don't need more than this. And just like that, your description's done. You don't need to add any more. You've got all the information in the description that you need. For the discounted price, you want to go and list the price of this product. So you want to go and put in the cheapest price over here, $39 per bottle. So we're going to go and enter on our price over here. We're going to start off with, let's say, $1.99. And then obviously we just want to go 39 USD to EUR. That's 33 euros, because remember this website is listed. We can just enter 34 euros over here to play it safe, which is the same as $39, which is the cheapest bottle over here, which is 51% savings. So, and that's perfect. This special over here does a lot of the selling for itself. And then for the image, we can come over to Digistore 24 over here. I recommend click on the affiliate support page over here. We can usually go and find media and pictures to save. So if I just scroll throughout this page, okay, there's no real images over here. We can actually just right click, open up on one of these images over here, save this bottled image to your PC, come back to Last Deals and upload an image over here and upload the same image of these bottles over here. For the category, we want to go choose health and beauty. For the expiration date, we can choose, for example, a week from now, which could be the 19th, next week Sunday. The next step is just click on share over here, enter your email address to continue. So I'm just going to do that. And once that is posted, it will take about a couple of minutes. I would say anywhere between 10 and 15 minutes for your post to publish publicly on latest deals. And it will pop up over here first on the health and beauty category over here. And here you can see products that were posted just 5 minutes ago, 16 minutes ago are already getting likes. This one over here, 8 likes already in just 2 hours. So these products are getting views and they were just posted minutes ago. Let me refresh to see if mine is loaded up. Okay, not yet. You can see it's still got a little bit to go. So once it's posted publicly, your post will be posted over here. One of the other products that I promoted, I remember, was this affiliate product over here for this notebook pocket purse, which I posted 6 hours ago, already got 1 like and 1 comment. So like you can see, you want to go and post multiple products on this website, connect up your affiliate link, use the descriptions on these pages over here already made for you. So like I showed you, this is super easy to do. It's a matter of copy and paste, and it's a click on your affiliate link and that page, like this one over here, will automatically get all the sales and convert all of your traffic for you. Just to quickly announce the winner of yesterday's $20 giveaway, this person on the screen over here won that $20 giveaway. All you need to do is click on my Instagram link in the description. It will take you to my page, send me a DM and I will sort out your giveaways over there. Also give me a follow on Instagram if you want to message me any questions over there. But just to help you out even more, don't forget to go and claim those 3 courses down below. And don't forget to enter this coupon over here on the first link in the description to go and get 70% off my drop servicing program, where you get over $8,000 of bonuses, modules, information that I've learned over the past 2 years. All of this works for me. I do drop servicing on a full-time basis, and my top store made over $200,000 in a year in 2020. The reason I'm telling you this is because it's my full-time thing. I do it online wherever I am, wherever I go. While I'm traveling, I sell services and connect them up with my clients all over the world whenever I want to. It's freedom, it's power of your own time, and you're in control of your own life as well. I'm also going to leave a free playlist over here to help you out even more with more affiliate marketing videos. So this playlist over here is a compiled playlist of my best videos that I've made on my YouTube channel in the past 2 years. plus minus 300 videos in this playlist. It's hundreds to thousands of dollars worth of free information here on YouTube. So make sure to click on this playlist over here, and I'll see you over there.